Welcome to Kissimmee, Florida, a place where Old Town charm meets the excitement of classic American fun. Just minutes from Orlando's famous theme parks, Kissimmee has a character all its own. From strolling through lively Old Town with its vintage car shows, neon lights, and retro vibes, to exploring hidden gems, family attractions, and that unmistakable Florida sunshine, this is a destination full of surprises. Every weekend, the heart of Kissimmee, Florida, comes alive with the roar of engines, the shine of chrome, and the nostalgic charm of classic automobiles at the famous Old Town Car Show. Nestled in the unique retro-themed district of Old Town, this event has become one of Florida's most beloved traditions, drawing car enthusiasts, families, and tourists from all over the world. Old Town itself is a step back in time, designed to capture the essence of a vintage American small town. Lined with quirky shops, family-owned restaurants, and neon lights that sparkle at night, it provides the perfect backdrop for showcasing some of the most remarkable cars ever built. The car shows are not just exhibitions, they are celebrations of history, craftsmanship, and community spirit. Each Saturday, rows upon rows of gleaming hot rods, muscle cars, and restored classics take their place along the brick streets. Enthusiasts proudly stand beside their vehicles, eager to share stories of restoration projects, rare finds, and the legacies of their prized automobiles. Visitors can admire everything from 1950s Chevrolets with their signature fins, to roaring Mustangs and Camaros that defined the muscle car era, right up to more modern custom builds that push the limits of design. One of the highlights of the event is the classic car cruise, where these vintage beauties take to the streets in a rolling parade. It's a sight to behold, engines rumbling, headlights gleaming, and proud owners waving to the crowds as they circle Old Town. For many, it's a moment that feels like stepping straight into the 1950s and 60s, when cruising was a beloved pastime in America. the Kissimmee Old Town Car Show has become more than just an event. It's a gathering place for those who appreciate the art of the automobile and the joy of community. Whether you're a lifelong car collector, a traveler looking for a slice of authentic Americana, or a family seeking a fun evening out, the Old Town Car Show is an experience that captures the heart and soul of Kissimmee. It's not just about the cars, it's about the memories made, the stories shared, and the timeless love of all things classic.